Good morning, welcome back to our T5 raffle build. It is the last episode, which is super sad, but really exciting because we have a full eco-worthy electric setup going in and a rock and roll bed made by us. So yeah, it's gonna be a big episode today. Let's show you guys the setup that's going in. But before I do that, I just want to say a massive thank you to QUIBITY for sponsoring our video. QUIBITY are an eSIM company that we use when we go out traveling. Code on the screen for 15% off their SIM plans. Go check them out because they have loads of different SIM options and they have great deals. So yeah, like I said, we have a full eco-worthy setup going in and it is probably a little bit overkill, but it is a great setup. Here we have it. We've got 2 solar panels going on the van. We have a DC to DC battery charger, an inverter, and this big boy battery. And we also have another battery, which is going to one of you guys, but we'll explain a little bit more about that later. Yesterday, we got quite a lot of work done, but it was on and off raining. So we just chucked the time lapse up because we had to get this build done. Here's us making the bed yesterday. Jeez!
This looks fresh.
It looks so good. Look how it just sits there really well.
Yeah, it turned out really good. We used the end panel from Ian.
It just ties in perfectly with the
Just made it
kitchen.
look so professional. So you got storage here. If it's big storage, lift it up. If you've got big storage stuff. And then it pulls out all the way. And that's a 2-meter long bed.
Look how massive that is. That is so cool. And there's enough space for 2 people as well, which is amazing. And obviously we've got a mattress coming in from Foam Tailor, so that's going to be going in as soon as it arrives. But yeah, look how neat this is. And it just folds up nicely like that into a mattress. We are going to sort out a way to keep it up, but here you have it. You've got a nice bit of seating area and you've got a decent amount of space here as well once it's closed. And not only that, at the back here, you've got so much storage to put bags, camping stuff. But yeah, look at that. Well, I'd say that's a job well done, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks good.
Oh, I can't believe how well this turned out. Oh my God, it's raining. But let's explain this really quick. We got 2 of the eco-worthy mono solar panels. They're super thin, lightweight, which is perfect for the pop top that we've got on. They're 130 watt each, so that's 260 watt of solar going in this. So let's hopefully beat the rain. We're gonna fit the solars and yeah, we'll chuck you guys on a time lapse.
This never feels right. Drilling into a pop top, but
Ooh,
clean.
clean. So getting that in. Let's go. We have just finished putting the solar up, just in the nick of time because it started raining as we were finishing up, but it looks so good. Look at this. We have done such a good job on this. It's like the, I hate to say the word again, but cleanest install we've ever done on a solar panel. Even our solar panels don't look as good as this. We've cable tied it all nicely, put the wire box, I don't know what that's called, and look, it's so aerodynamic. Look how low this sits. If you're like here, you can't even see it. It's like under this lip, so you're not gonna get any wind or anything underneath it. And if you do, we've siliconed it, we've screwed it. It looks absolutely beautiful. Luckily, everything else is in the van because look at this cloud coming up right now. In the distance, it looks nasty. So here we go. The solar's on. Now let's get all the rest of the electrics done before it starts raining again. Solar panels down, 3 more things to go. We got a 280 amp hour lithium battery going into the van. This is the same battery we have powering our van, all the electric set up in our van. You guys have so much power going into yours. And then we've got the DC to DC battery charger.
Ooh, yeah. Looks clean.
It's a 20 amp DC to DC. It charges whilst you're on the road driving and through the solar. And then you've got 1,100 watt of inverter energy. I don't know.
It's very specific as well. I was like, why is it 1,100? But
I don't know.
A lot of things are 1,000 watt, aren't they?
Definitely. Something like that. So yeah, I guess you've got like a bigger car. Literally can't get it out. But this thing is so cool. There it is. We've got 2 more ports here to plug into. We've got a double wall socket in the van already. Really excited to get this in. The next challenge is getting it all under the bed. So let's go. So now that Connor's got everything where it's going in place, I'm just gonna make another wall to go across here, and we're gonna fit the kill switch and everything like that on it. That's my job for now. Let's go. A little update on how the electrics are going. How's it going, Connor?
Well, we got all the big stuff's in, and then up here we got double wall socket,
Ooh.
USB, and this is the switch for the inverter on off.
That looks so nice.
And then now I just got to do a lot of wiring.
Yeah, this is always the longest job when we're doing a van. But I made a little wall over here to sort of divide the storage space to the electrical space. And also we can mount the inline fuse and stuff like that on the other side. It's free giveaway time because you know I love free stuff as much as the next person. So we are giving away an 100 amp hour lithium battery from QUIBITY on this video. All you have to do to win this battery is comment down below why you want this battery. Go subscribe to us, because why are you not subscribed already? And give this video a like. And we'll be picking someone from the comments to win this battery. Look how sick this battery looks. It's really lightweight. You've got an indicator of how much percentage you've got here. It's Bluetooth as well, so you can check your battery health. And it comes with a low-high temperature protection mode as well. That's it. It's that simple. So go do that now. So there it is, there's the electrics all wired up.
big job.
Very big job.
It's one of those jobs that just goes on. Like, you could connect it all up, but trying to run the cables nice, it's like...
Yeah.
But everything, yeah, we got everything in this section here. So all fuses, switches, we've got obviously the fuse box there as well. All the connections are all in here, so that is it, electrics.
I can't believe we're actually done. I am so tired. I look like I've been dragged through a bush. Honestly, we've been like going in and out underneath the car and everything, but it's done. Well, for now anyway. We've still got foam tailor mattress and there's a few things off camera I want to do. Let's go see it. Look how sick this van looks. You've got this almost sort of double bed. Oh, we've got the electrics board in. We've got, so yeah, the inverter on and off, and you've got a double wall socket here.
Wait, we haven't even actually switched this on yet.
Oh my God.
We got the kill switch.
It's the kill switch.
But
oh my God, this is so
fingers
exciting.
crossed.
Right.
Imagine just nothing turns on.
Oh, don't. That'd
We
be
think
like
we're
the
done.
whole day. Oh man. Okay.
Okay, good start.
Oh, and we've got a light
Oh,
on.
we got a light on.
Wait. Hey, we've got the other one on. So, everything.
Electric ignition.
Yes.
We've got
Sorry.
running.
Ooh.
Oh, jeez. We've got water.
Hey, you got refrigeration.
Inverter.
Oh. Yeah, 13 amps. Oh, that is sick.
It was volts, but
Oh, bolts. You can tell I'm tired. We've been doing this all day. But yeah, I can't believe it's finally done.
I think the solar panels look so good.
Yes. Oh, the solar panels are probably like my favourite bit. Look how neat they look.
Yeah, they are so clean.
I know. Honestly, the perfect solar panels for a pop top. Just grab Connor's phone so we can test it out.
And this is everything.
Oh, it's not even
oh,
on.
the inverter's not on.
Oh, of course. Gosh, you'd think
You
that
can
we'd
tell we're
never live in a
tired.
van. Yeah, you can definitely. Charge. Oh, you know what? This van is so nice.
That was such a longer job than I thought.
I know.
So rewarding.
So rewarding. Like when you switch on the lights after a day like that and they actually switch on. But just remember, one of you guys can win this van. Tickets are £5. You have less than 2 weeks as of tomorrow.
Yeah, we've got 2 weeks and I think 25% sold so far.
Yeah, so I don't think you'll find better odds anywhere else. Although this has been like an electrics heavy video, let's just open the bed one more time. This is one of the best beds we've ever made. This is
I can't believe it actually worked how we thought as well.
exactly.
Like,
Connor had a dream and a few sort of like mathematics like calculations in his head. But yeah, it worked out and we're so happy about it. That's it. That's the end of the video. Sorry if it's been a really short one. We didn't know how long this was going to be. But yeah, we will catch you guys on the next one. So see ya.